Mars discovery. Strongest evidence yet for ancient microbial life? Let's discuss. Hello and welcome to Shooting Star News. In today's episode, we examine new findings from NASA's Perseverance rover that could represent the strongest evidence yet that Mars once hosted life. These findings are significant, but they are also preliminary. Join me as we review what has been discovered, what it might mean, and what still remains uncertain. The Perseverance rover has collected a rock sample named Cheyava Falls, located in the Bright Angel Formation in the Jezero Crater on Mars. The sample comes from a region called Sapphire Canyon, which lies in an ancient dry river channel, Neretva Vallis, that once fed into Jezero Crater. Scientists observed ring-shaped dark features in the mudstone, along with nodules and reaction fronts in the rock that are enriched in minerals like iron phosphate and iron sulfide, notably vivianite and greigite. They also detected organic carbon within the rock matrix, carbon-based compounds. These kinds of minerals and textures are associated on Earth with microbial activity. Vivianite and greigite, in particular, can form in environments where microbes are active, or where organic matter interacts with iron and sulfur under particular chemical conditions, a redox. The presence of organic carbon adds weight to the possibility that biological activity could be involved, though organic matter can also be delivered by non-biological processes. Because the sample comes from ancient lake-like sediment, a setting which on Earth is favorable for life, the geological context enhances its potential as a site for biosignatures. These features are not definitive proof of past life. Many of the textures and minerals observed could also form through abiotic or non-biological geochemical processes. The organic carbon could have been altered with time, radiation, or contamination. Distinguishing biotic from abiotic origins is challenging. The timing and mechanisms of mineral formation, environmental conditions, temperature, water presence, and duration all need more detailed study. So the Sapphire Canyon, the Cheyava Falls sample has been collected and is among those Perseverance has drilled. Researchers stress the importance of returning such rocks to Earth, where high-sensitivity laboratory equipment can more conclusively test for biosignatures. In the meantime, further in situ analysis on Mars with the rover instruments will continue, looking for more samples, comparing multiple sites, and refining interpretations. In the broader context, if confirmed, this would represent one of the strongest lines of evidence yet that Mars once hosted microbial life, which is a confirmation of life, and this would reshape our understanding of life's potential, ubiquity in the universe. How present is life throughout the universe? If we find it on one other planet, I guess that is our leapfrog of life, that we can look to see other forms of the same type of life on other planets, let alone actual civilizations. It also underscores the importance of Mars sample return missions to bring Martian materials back to Earth for rigorous testing. Budget and mission planning constraints are active topics in the scientific community. These findings build on earlier discoveries of preserved organic molecules, ancient water flows, lake beds, and favorable mineralogy, all pieces of a puzzle about Mars's habitability in the past. This is a moment of great promise for planetary science. While we must remain cautious, the Cheyava Falls sample and its associated findings bring us closer than ever to answering whether life once existed on Mars. As research continues, both on the surface and in Earth-based labs, we will watch closely and report new developments. Thank you for joining today's update on Shooting Star News. And I do want to remind everybody, please subscribe and like this video, share it. If this is something that you're finding value out of, it does help with the algorithm. Leave your comments below as far as where you think we're headed with life discovery on other planets or in other galaxies and solar systems. Who knows? Let's hear what you have to say, and I will share it. I do want to tidbit into some of the comments. A lot of great interest in 3i Atlas, and so a little bit about the studio. It's slowly coming to fruition, so hopefully there are no more bad shots like the last video. But that does happen, and it's just the reality of me being a small operation here. So hopefully you all have enjoyed this, and look forward to the next video. Take care.